Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Ford Everest Trend. Stock reference number 4890. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand fog light. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door 1 small dent, left rear door 2 small dents, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bull tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gearbox, shifter, heating controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.